All right. This is the story I was talking about regarding Jack Ma and Alibaba. Apparently, there's even this crackdown thing continues. The leadership there has advised, I think, Jack Ma to divest some of his interests in media companies, media-related companies, including social media platforms like Weibo. And they're like, it's too much power in one place. They're like, it's cool. You can do the thing with the shopping and the commerce, but then you want to do the finance. And they're like, no. And now they're sitting there looking at it and they're saying, oh, yeah, also that other stuff, all the media-related stuff. Because it's truly, and it's kind of shocking. I guess it's the same here. It's the same elsewhere.
If you get too powerful.
But it's more, but it's what I'm saying is it's more when I was there, it was like, that's a Tencent company. That's an Alibaba company. Like, I really didn't hear about any other companies. It really felt like a two-horse race over there. And now I'm sure I'm missing one or the other in tech. There might be, there's a few other players. Oh, ByteDance. ByteDance is on its own. But you'd be surprised all the sub-products under those brands. And I know that you have Amazon here and you have Google and Facebook. But you see already I'm naming more players already. And so I kind of understand as far as it would be phrased differently. They would be, it's for the customer. It's so we don't have monopolies. I think the difference is the way the government is established. It has a kind of a different look to it when it takes place. We'll see what happens, but the article seems to indicate that some moves are going to have to be made. The decision to remove the popular UC browser is the latest hit to the empire of Jack Ma, China's most famous entrepreneur, after regulators scuppered the record $37 billion initial public offering. I have not used that word ever in my life. That's a first. Of the Ant Group, that was the financial technology company that was going to be launched. And then, of course, Jack Ma was kind of, I mean, not in hiding, but laying low around that time. So now you have the UC browser, which has been taken out. You had the initial public offering, which was taken out. And then you have the suggestion to, hey, maybe get out of the media biz. So quite a few shots that Jack Ma's having to deal with over there.